I'm so grateful that I can trust the intentions of your heart. I'm so lucky to be loved so well by you in how you express the deep and passionate love that you have in your heart for me. I promise to reciprocate that love, to love and support you all, putting your needs and desires before mine. I promise my whole heart to you, an entire being with all the excitement in my heart. Today, I become wholly yours.
Jodi K. Marie Jefferson, love of my life. I thank God for blessing me with you. I know He has good plans for us as a couple and can clearly see His good work in you as an individual. Your smile is contagious, and your sweet gentleness brings comfort to those you're around. I know I can trust you and your values. As amazing as all those qualities are, my love goes deeper and isn't contingent on them. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Having had Jodi as my wonderful maid of honor 2 years and 2 days ago, best friend for many years and accountability partner, has been such a precious gift to my life. I am confident that you will approach this new role as wife with the same tenacity as you do the things of God. And this is a blessing to any man.
I can't think of anyone who's more compassionate and caring and funny and intelligent than myself, but you're second close. so as his older brother, I felt like I was supposed to be the role model for Jeremy, and that didn't turn out always to be the best. But in my walk with Christ has improved just because my younger brother living his life, it's truly a testimony.